Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn with A to Z. Okay children, first of all, this is pink color. First A. A for ant. Next is, this is black color. B. B for banana. This is brown color. C. C for cup. This is purple color. D. D for drumstick. This is red color. E. E for egg. This is blue color. F. F for fox. This is orange color. G. G for grapes. This is green color. H. H for hat. This is pink color. I. I for igloo. This is yellow color. J. J for jasmine. This is green color. K. K for kangaroo. This is black color. L. L for ladybug. This is purple color. M. M for magnet. This is red color. N. N for nuts. This is blue color. O. O for ocean. This is brown color. P. P for pencil. This is yellow color. Q. Q for quail. This is orange color. R. R for rainbow. This is pink color. S. S for sunflower. This is blue color. T. T for tiger. This is green color. U. U for unicorn. This is a red color. V. V for vulture. This is a purple color. W. W for water. Water. This is blue color. X. X for xylophone. This is black color. Y. Y for yogurt. And last one is Z. This is green color. Z. Z for zoo. Okay children, bye.